East side cooking.
Yeah, man.
Long time lumber.
Lumberjack chef.
Lumberjack the chef.
One east side,
Yeah,
see what I say?
one east side.
Jamaican cooking.
Yeah.
No joke.
No joke.
So the man chef up some sardines.
Sardine.
Well spiced up.
Alright.
Man have some jasmine rice. That's a door joke with them, you know. One east side.
On jasmine rice on the side.
Yes, man.
You hear that?
You know, at lunchtime though. Outside.
Pepper.
Pepper, man.
East side, east side.
Yeah, man. No joke.
This is thing. Sardine. Yeah.
Cut cover bun me daddy. Presentation, man, it is vegetable.
Better bad. No, 3 pound uncut, 4 pound uncut.
Jerky.